Hey guys, it's Thomas. In this video, we're going to teach you how to scan your QR code. Stay tuned. So you received a new pair of glasses from us in the mail. And in the package came a bookmark. And on the back of the bookmark is a QR code, which will allow you to take $10 off your next order with us. But you're not sure how to scan the QR code. Well, I'm going to show you how. All you're going to need is your cell phone. Okay. The first step is to make sure you have your camera app up and ready on your phone. From there, you're going to hover your camera over the QR code shown on the bookmark. Once our homepage shows up, feel free to go shopping, find the glasses you like, and continue with your order. If you ever had any questions or concerns, feel free to contact our friendly customer support team. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel. Take care.